What if we told you there was a large business in Meridian that was the only one of its kind in the U.S., but you've probably never even heard of it?
Dews on the grass, and the bamboo's rising. Southern fried sun, Mississippi horizon. Nannies are hooting, and the babies are crying. Kissing in the grove, got the girlfriends a fighting. It's a damn good life in the bamboo grove.
Is building a new bamboo economy in the United States right here in Meridian.
And we manufacture all engineered bamboo materials right here in Meridian, Mississippi.
Bamboo is a giant grass. It's a giant straw, but also the acronym for Green, Renewable, Affordable, Sustainable Systems, and then BUILT. And we've trademarked that, so indeed, I guess I've created a word, GRASSBuilt. Basically, the success here is the result of a failed project that resulted in a mothballed technology that ended up at Mississippi State in a pilot project. Good Mississippians and American ingenuity were able to perfect that process. So I take a lot of solace, and I think everybody else should, in that everything that's happening here is Mississippi homegrown. We figured out here what very powerful and large corporations couldn't figure out.
The technology that we have produces something that the architectural and design community has been waiting on a long time. And to create something that has structural usage is almost they don't believe it when they hear what we're able to do.
The big trick that's going on here, the big advantage, is thicker, quicker, at higher quality, with multitudes of feedstocks in various conditions of those feedstocks. Demonstrated here, there's literally nobody else on earth that can go thick in a matter of just minutes and get out a structurally certified piece of material. We have that ability, and nobody else does. Only because of the technology, which can now create structural beams and headers and columns on price point, high quality, low cost. That is what the difference is. And now that we have that, we're going to be able to have what I call NABER, N-A-B-E-R, which is the North American Bamboo Economic Revolution. And with our technology, now only with this technology, that's possible